So, while I'm waiting for some parts to be delivered, I thought I'd whip up this little gem. Yep, the Mustang. Bought on a salvage auction in Mississippi, shipped to the north of France, to now tearing up the French country roads. Here's the middle bit of the sandwich, all in 15 minutes, plus some outtakes at the end. So stay tuned. Oh, and if you haven't already, please, if you enjoy this and you want to see future builds, hit that subscribe and turn on your notifications. So sit back and enjoy this 15 minutes-ish build of the Mustang and do it. First part for the Mustang. It drives. Yes. Kind of talked myself into this one, but it'll be clean enough to eat the dinner off. Yeah. Are you ready for this? Thanks, Eibach. Team. Hashtag. Ooh. Yes, finally. Wow, what a hammer. Time to hit up this side. Check it. Cool. That should be everything I need. Let's head off to Speedy. I'll catch you guys there. hiding out in the cabin this morning. It is bitterly cold. I believe it's about -3, -4 outside today. But anyway, I'm going to get out there and get cracking. Let's go.
Here we go now. Batman scoop on the mic. Mix in the mix on the wheels of steel. This is what I was fucking born to do. Yes, let's go.
It's nice. Check it. So, scrosser on, side skirt, whip side skirt off, jacket up, wheel off, wing off. You get me? Let's do it. I'll be seeing you in the next episode. All completely wrapped, all completely protected, well, I felt, do you know what it felt like putting up that wrapping? I felt like Dexter for a minute. I was like, this man, he used to do this all the time, what a chore. Don't think I'd make a good serial killer anyway. Edith was like, Al, do you think you took the Dexter thing a bit far? Right. I was like, no, don't be silly. He was a stand-up guy, apart from the killing bit.
Okay, Google, when's it gonna stop raining?
Tomorrow in Fages Les Chalons, rain's expected until 3 p.m.
Tomorrow?
Nah. Go and have a look yourself. Do it. What is that? If you're having car problems, I feel bad for you, son. I got 99 problems in my V8 swap. Hit me.
Control on the cap control. Caskets closed. Money cash hold. Type of facts are those. Separate toes. Hold. Press fast forward. They'll play my hits.
Yeah, that should be the end of it. So let's turn the key. Yes. I'm out of them gates. Hammer time. And do it. Yeah, boy! Oh, it's got a big dog! Whoa! Highlight of my lockdown, certainly. Wow! Oh! Excellent. All I can think about right now is when can I next go out there? I just can't tell you how stoked I was. That is such an awesome buzz. But as always, guys, I've been Wimpy. You've been awesome for watching. Thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed it. And I'll see you very soon. Laters.